Good evening. Exercise 4.2, third one, find the value of root 3 plus 1 raised to 4 minus root 3 minus 1 raised to 4. This sum is for homework. Answer is 32 root 3. Second, 2 plus root 5 raised to 5 plus 2 minus root 5 raised to 5. Observe the binomials. One is 2 plus root 5, other is 2 minus root 5. So see what I have done. There will be 6 terms in the expansion for both. Now do not find the values of NCR. You will notice that if I add these two, few terms get cancelled. Second term, then fourth term and sixth term. So these terms get cancelled. So I will say adding 1 and 2. On adding 1 and 2, I get 2 plus root 5 raised to 5 plus 2 minus root 5 raised to 5 equal to remaining terms, they occur twice each. So in bracket, I get what? 2 raised to 5. You may say, sir, it is 5C0. Yes, 5C0 is 1. That is why I have directly written 2 raised to 5 plus 5C2 2 cube into what? Root 5 square plus 5C4 2 into root 5 raised to 4. Now the next part is to evaluate binomial coefficients, but here I will write directly. What is 2 raised to 5? It is 32 plus 5C2 is 10, 2 cube is 8, root 5 square is 5, 5C4 equal to 5 into 2. What is root 5 raised to 4? 25. So this is 2 into 32 plus 400 plus 250 amounts to 682. Just check this. 682 into 2. So 1364. Right now. Fourth part is for homework. Answers are given. Fifth one, using binomial theorem, find the value of first part homework 102 raised to 4. You have to write 102 as 100 plus 2. So expand 100 plus 2 raised to 4 using binomial theorem. You may ask, can we write 102 as 99 plus 3? Yes, 99 plus 3 is 102. But powers of 99 cannot be obtained easily. Sorry, but powers of 100 can be obtained easily. So we write 102 as 100 plus 2. Okay, this is the answer. Second part, 1.1 raised to 5. Write this as 1 plus 0.1 raised to 5. Now expand this using binomial theorem. Now I will not write 5C0 because it is 1. So I will directly write 1 raised to 5 plus, start writing 5C1 1 raised to 4. If asked as MCQ, you need not write even 1 raised to, because 1 raised to is going to be 1. Okay. Plus 5C2 1 cube into 0.1 square, 5C3 1 square into 0.1 cube plus 5C4 1 into 0.1 raised to 4 plus 0.1 raised to 5. Now do not obtain values of binomial coefficients orally. You are supposed to show the calculations. 5C1 is 5C4, which is nothing but 5. 5c2 is 5c3, which is 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So this is 10. So 1.1 raised to 5 equal to 1 plus 5 into 0.1 plus 10 into, actually 10 into 1 into, but I will directly write 0.01 plus 10 into 0.001 plus 5 into 0.3 knots and then 1. Finally, 0. How many knots? 4 knots. To be very careful. 0.4 knots 1 is actually 0.1 raised to 5. So this is 1 plus 0.5. Please check this. Plus 0.1, is it? Plus 0.01. It will be very careful. 0.0005. Okay. So what is the final answer? 1.1 raised to 5. Let's check. 1. See, it is better actually to write numbers just one below the other so that we will not make mistake. Yes, this is the correct answer. 1.61051. Yes, most of the students have given this answer only. Sum number 6, using binomial theorem, find the value of first part for homework, cube of 9.9. You have to write 9.9 as 10 minus 0.1. Answer is 970.299. Next, 0.9 raised to 4 to be written as 1 minus 0.1 raised to 4. Expand using binomial theorem. 4c1 is 4, 4c2 is 6. Actually, in exam, you have to show this using formula. So what is the final answer here? Before that, 1 minus 0.4 plus 0.06 minus 0.004 plus 0.301. So 0.9 raised to 4 is 0.6561. 7. Without expanding, find the value of. First, for homework, you may take x plus 1 equal to a and x minus 1 equal to b. You will notice that this is expansion of a minus b raised to 4. So a minus b becomes 2. 2 raised to 4, that is 16. In the second sum also, I have taken a for 2x minus 1 and b for 3 minus 2x. So this is the given expression. Now observe the binomial coefficients. They are 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4. Or I should have said, observe the coefficients 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. They can be expressed in the form of binomial coefficients. So this is a plus b raised to 4. A is 2x minus 1. B is 3 minus 2x. So it is 2 raised to 4, which is 16. You need not write take this equal to a, this equal to b. You may also say that 2x minus 1 raised to 4 is 4c0, 2x minus 1 raised to 4, and so on. For that also you'll get full marks. But this is must, 4c0, 4c1, and so on. Sum number 8. Find the value of 1.02 raised to 6. Correct up to 4 places of decimal. Now 1.02 is 1 plus 0.02 raised to 6. Okay. Now use binomial theorem. See, there is no point in considering remaining terms, because 0.02 cube itself is 0.50 followed by 8, and we have to find answer correct up to 4 decimal places. It is true that we have to multiply this by 20, but still. Okay. Now 1 raised to 6 is 1, 6c1 is 6.02, 6c2 is 15. What is square of 0.02? Basically 2 square is 4, but you have to give decimal point before 4 places, because 0, 2 and again 0, 2. So 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So decimal point here. And what is 6c3? 20. 0.02 cube. 2 cube is 8. So 6 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal point. Simplify this. So 1.12616, but we have to find answer correct up to 4 places of decimal. So 1.1262. See, this sign is for approximate value. Ninth and 10th are similar sums, and for homework, these are the answers. Now we discuss general term in the expansion, because in many cases we are required to find only one particular term. For example, in the expansion of say 2x plus 7 raised to 13, if we are asked to find 10th term, are we supposed to write first 9 terms also? It is not required, because only one particular term is asked, that is why we obtain general term in the expansion. This is not at all difficult. See, if T1, T2, T3 up to Tn are the terms in the expansion of a plus b raised to n, then we have, what is T1? nc0 a raised to n. That is nc0 a raised to n minus 0 b raised to 0. What is T2? nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1. See, this is suffix. If the suffix is 2, it is nc1. If the suffix is 3, T3, it is nc2. If it is T4, suffix is nc3. So what is T4? nc3 a raised to n minus 3 b cube. By inspection, we see that the general term, that is r plus 1th term, is given by tr plus 1 equal to ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r. Can be remembered easily. See, this is ncr, a raised to what? N minus r, b raised to r. Note that this is not tr, this is tr plus 1. Now, you may also ask me, but why not to find tr? If you insist that you want tr, you can write that. How? What will be tr? It will be nc r minus 1, a raised to n minus r plus 1, b raised to r minus 1. This can be remembered easily. ncr, a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. But this happens to be not rth term, but r plus 1st term. Is that clear? So it will be 5th term, t5. Will it be nc5? No. We begin with nc0. So 5th term will contain not nc5, nc4. So nc4, so a raised to n minus 4, b raised to 4. Is that clear? Write down this general term in the expansion of a plus b raised to n. In a plus b raised to n, tr plus 1 equal to ncr, a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. This is general term. Now, interesting part, middle term or terms in the expansion of a plus b raised to n. Middle term or terms in the expansion of a plus b raised to n. Actually, we have to consider two cases. Suppose index n is even. So number of terms n plus 1 will be odd. So in this case, there is only one middle term. it is given by t middle equal to t n by 2 plus 1. See, this one is not in the numerator, n by 2 plus 1. If index is odd, number of terms will be even because number of terms is always index plus 1. So in this case, there are two middle terms. First is t n plus 1 by 2 and then t n plus 3 by 2. Right now. Exercise 4.3. In the following expansions, find the indicated terms. First, third, fourth for homework. Answers are given. Second, find fifth term in x square minus 4 upon x cube raised to 11. Now, what is the formula for tr plus 1 in this expansion? ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r. Compare. So, what is t5? t4 plus 1. Why to write t4 plus 1? Because formula is not for tr, it is for tr plus 1. So what is n? Index 11. What is a? X square. You have to be very careful. Plus b. So b is minus 4 upon x cube. So t5 is 11c4 x square raised to 11 minus 4 minus 4 upon x cube raised to 4. Now tell me the answer. You have to do calculations on your own. Once 7 factorial gets cancelled, what remains is 8 into 9 into 10 into 11. 4 factorial is 24. X raised to 14 minus 4 raised to 4 is 256 upon x raised to 12. Somebody has written this answer. Please check. 84480. 84480 x square. Please check this. Okay, yes, this is the correct answer. Now, fifth one, we are asked to find 10th term in the expansion of 3a plus 4 upon a raised to 13. T10 is T9 plus 1. Now, n, that is index, is 13. First term 3a, second term 4 upon a. So, T10 is 13c9, 3a raised to 13 minus 9, 4 upon a raised to 9. What is 13c9? It comes out to be, I think it comes out to be 715. Please check this. 10 into 11 into 12 into 13 upon 24. It comes out to be 715 multiplied by 81 and 4 raised to 9 is this number. So this is the final answer. So that's it for today.